Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We'll get started in a few minutes. What a crazy morning. Today is going to be insane. Yes, today is going to be very crazy. I will go over some stuff as well. Oh yeah, Clove, you can add that to this. Guys, when I post those things, it's the list there. It's just a few that I put up. There's so many. I have a list of all of them, but not all of them, but I'm just focusing on a couple of them. Good morning, guys. We'll get started in a few minutes. Crazy morning. Hopefully this brings the market some volume. Unbelievable. How many of you guys are trading? Have been trading this AMC and that? Let me know. Curious. Literally yesterday I said that the gap fill on game, look here. So you look at the daily, right? Obviously you cannot see it now because when you have the daily on, you cannot see pre-market and after hours. But look here. This was the gap fill from here to here. That's why this was the gap fill, right? So you can see this is what we had yesterday. And I said, this is what we have. I said there is a gap fill to $77. Go to the 4 hour and we literally nailed at the top of it, pretty much $77. So we will see what happens today. Very crazy stuff going on. Radio, let's have a look. Guys, there's going to be a lot of FOMO, and the one that everyone's going to say is, I wish I held, or I knew I should have sold, you know? Or someone would have said, I knew it was going to go that price, right? You're going to hear all of this BS stuff. If you knew where to sell and where to buy, you would be a multi-millionaire, right? So cut the whole BS with, oh, I had it at $2, I sold it at 14, whatever. No one cares. It doesn't matter. It doesn't change anything, right? At the end of the day, you are trading what you see. You're trading what you see in the market. You're not trading because you just want to FOMO, right? You need to focus on when something to mention, right? With these plays that have extremely high volume, game, AMC right now, right? These are, right? These plays right here have very high volume. Look how volatile this is. Everybody on FinTwit is talking about this play. Probably StockTwits, probably Reddit, probably the news, everything, right? That means it's creating a lot of people buying, and they know what happened last time. What happened, there was a huge squeeze and it kept running, right? So with that being said, right, someone's going to ask me a stupid question. What price is it going to go to? Where do I buy and sell? I have no idea, right? I focus on where is support, where is resistance, okay? So these levels right here are resistance and then resistance. These are not targets. If I knew that AMC was going to run, right, and fill that gap to $77, I would have taken out a loan. I would have messaged Elon Musk asking for his money and put it all in, right? It's complete BS. Everything's easy in hindsight. If we all knew all of this stuff, we would have done it, right? Yes, I know some people did do it, and that's very well done to them. But also, it's where do you take the profits? It's very difficult to do so because you can think it's going to keep going and so on, right? With that being said, what I'm talking about is day trading. These are going to be extremely volatile and quick, right? If the volume obviously stays there, I am expecting to. I don't expect anything to change. But with that being said, key levels on the 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute is pretty much irrelevant in my opinion because, right, the volume is so strong, it will break through those walls and it will break through these resistance levels easily or support, okay? So that's why you should focus on key levels on the larger time frame like the 4 hour, which I have done here. So you can see that this is a 4 hour key level here. This is a 4 hour key level here and here. So when I am day trading, I know if I get into the trade that there is a resistance level here that I will probably sell some of my players position, right? So that's simply how I would set up for these trades. Give me a sec, guys. Let me go over some of those messages. Insane day FFID. FFID has extremely high float, short percentage, meaning that it can squeeze the shorts and it can run very hard. SPWR, this is running insane because on FinViz, according to FinViz, it has a 95% short percentage, which is the reason why it's running. I know it probably has news, but it's irrelevant. This is the reason why it's running. Okay, just put 100k in FFIE. Good luck, bro. Good luck, good luck, good luck. What the F? Good morning, good morning, morning. 80% on game. Well done, guys. How much money did hedge funds dorks lose? I don't know, bro. I mean, someone's going to be trying to short these plays, and I don't know. But yes, guys, please, if someone messages me literally about what price is game going to go to, I'm literally going to ignore your message. I'm going to simply ignore your message. Don't be surprised if I block you, because if you ask me stupid questions, I'm just going to ignore it. It's a stupid, stupid question. Do not ask someone what price a stock will go to or where to buy and sell. I share the charts where the key levels are. That is why I share the charts. Anyway, what was the last time it ran? We have to look. Weekly. Oh, wait, here again. Here we go. Last time they ran crazy was, I mean here, maybe no, I would say here. This was it. January 29th. January 29th, 2021. That was the crazy run up. Look at this. In 1 week, it ran from $61 to $484. Wow. That is... Wait, it's not 87. Oh, I know why. It's not accurate on this. But yeah. The simple way to trade this, right? The very simple way to trade this is do not buy it when it is running straight up. Let the play pull back. When it pulls back, it will find an area of support like it has here, right? And then that is a good buying opportunity. Buy on areas of support on game and all these plays, because if you're going to be trying to buy when the stock is literally at the high, you're going to be burnt and it's going to come all the way down. And it's going to be very, very ugly for you guys. You know? Right, so let's have a look. So yeah, I mean, my normal strategy in terms of adding the top gainers to my watch list is very difficult, because this is kind of how it is. All these plays on the left, you can see here, the blue ones are just regular plays. They're not any meme plays or anything. They're just running based off news. And then the purple ones here are all just kind of plays that have possibility to run. So the way it works is, if for those who weren't here during the COVID times and when the game in AMC ran, it pretty much pushes the whole market, right? And the rest of the sectors do follow with that, okay? So game and AMC are the top movers, right? So whatever game does, everything will follow that. AMC as well, same thing. With that being said, these are some other plays that will follow. So if game goes up, BlackBerry will follow, SPWR, NKLA has potential as well, right? And then Tilray, these are weed plays. Tilray, CGC, they're up, and it's also because I think they had news, but most of the time these do run with, the sectors all just run with game and AMC. Fubo as well, this also did used to run as a meme stock. TUP, Tupperware, is a meme stock. Hollow, I'm not too sure. I've just put it in this category because it is up 36%. And then, yeah, HKD has a lot of I'm not saying it's going to run to this price because it's unrealistic. But this thing ran to $2,500. There's a 0.0001% chance we'll do that. But the fact that this has ran crazy in the past like that, and it has those characteristics of the stock, that is a probability it will probably continue to do so, right? Right. Let me have a look here. So everyone's going to ask me, what about game? What AMC? I don't know what you guys want me to talk about with these plays, right? But all I can tell you is that right now the gap has been filled. Therefore, the fact that this has been filled, this will probably be using, I would say, around $50 as the area of support maybe, if it holds into open. And then you have your next resistance levels. These are not targets. $88, 102, and then 114. If it breaks above those, I will continue to update it. But at the moment, right now, it's pretty much just trading in this gap fill range. Based on the 5 minute, we can just see what's happening, that it's found an area of support here. It is at resistance, so right now it's just consolidating. There's no real trend. AMC, there is nothing going on with AMC on the 5 minutes. If you want to look at it, here is your downtrend. Maybe if it breaks above $11, you could look for an entry, but this is extremely, extremely, extremely volatile and high risk. You guys decide what you want to do. I personally would not be trading with more than 10% of your account size when you get in these trades because they are so volatile. Yes, maybe if you buy it and you try and day trade, these are quick scalps because you don't know what will happen. But I know a lot of people are taking lotto positions, which is fair enough because there is a lot of history with these plays. I wouldn't be surprised if these go to 20, 30 plus on AMC game and so on, right? So AMC is very bullish. I do like it, right? In my opinion, I think these plays are going to halt, right? Up or down, I have no idea. The reason why I'm saying these are going to halt, right, which means the stock will stop at open, is simply because of the sheer volume that these stocks are bringing in. It will halt the market. And that's why I think these will run pretty hard. So game and AMC are going to do a madness, in my opinion. I don't know what, like, exactly what price they're going to go to. I wish I did know, but yeah, I need to add COS as well. Someone just mentioned as well. Fubo, DATS, maybe DATS might run as well because, I don't know, Donald Trump, memes, I don't know, the whole thing. It's just kind of the same sector. Someone's asked me about DATS pretty much every day. Please save this chart so you can have a look at it. Draw the uptrend. That is the uptrend. Buys would be on the trend line. Your resistance level is 249. Wow, guys, we have 80 people in here. Come on, let's get it up. Let's get at least 50 likes today. Come on, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 likes. It is free to do so. Free to do so. Free to do so. Let me have a look at some other plays here, right? COS, so Fubo, let me look at, so Fubo, same thing. This thing ran, look here, let's go weekly. This thing has history of running as well. Where's 2021? Yeah, look, see? This also ran pretty crazy. Oh, 2020, sorry. This was in 2020. Look, this ran pretty crazy as well. That is why I've just added this simply, right? Simply added this to the meme list as well. So we can see, look, it's up 12%, right? It's very strange that these plays are up. It's simply because of game and AMC. They're bringing a lot of volume to the plays. People who traded during, obviously, the COVID times they know that these plays have potential to run, so they're taking these as sympathies instead of getting in-game and AMC. So right now, this is obviously bullish, right? We're making high highs and high lows. Our next resistance level is around 180, and then we have $2 on this, right? Yes, click the thumb, click it, click. KOSS is another one. This COS, right? This is another one that is running with the meme plays. So I mentioned yesterday over here, pretty much. This was yesterday. I said if it breaks above here, it will probably continue. It broke above, it came down, and then pretty much ran crazy. I obviously didn't expect AMC and game to go as nuts as they are, but I mean, who knows, right? If we did know, we would all be millionaires. But these are your next levels on COS. The reason why I'm using 4 hour is because these plays have a lot of volume. They will smash through any two, like 5, 10 minute, 15 minute resistance levels. So at the moment, excuse me, these are your next levels on COS. This is simply just running because of game, right? So the thing is with these plays, right? If game is going to run, these will follow, right? As I just mentioned, a lot of these, you can see some of them are lagging, right? Like NKLA is lagging in my opinion. This thing is only up 6%, right? It is 58 cents. It's okay, yes, in my logical thinking, it is only 58 cents, meaning a lot of people think that it's cheap and they'll just buy it and they think they can buy a lot of it. Therefore, they can make more profits. So this is a possible play. And there's no coincidence, it is up 6%. There is a nice bullish candle. It looks like it is expected to push up. Yeah, this just does have history of running as well. So that is why I do think that this will run, in my opinion. And it's only up 6%. So yeah, I think it will at least run today. So keep this one on watch as well. That's right, guys. Like it up. Like up the video. Like up the video. 37. Come on, let's get to 50 likes. AMC breaking now. Let's get it. $20 easy. Is ready to go? Guys, looking at these other plays is, in my opinion, not worth it. Because if you're trying to make money, right, that's your goal in the market, is simply just play these stocks that have the highest volume. It doesn't mean go and chase these plays, right? It's focusing on these plays because they will give you the highest probability of running. Here, CISS, yes, if this breaks 150, this is a huge level. You can watch this. I'll keep this on my watch as well. CISS, let me just move this down. Damn, I have so much plays on my watch list. I can only focus on like 2 or 3. But yes, CISS does look good. However, with that being said, as long as it looks good, I would wait for a closure above 150. So right now, it's pretty much just consolidating. If it breaks above 150, this has a lot of room to the upside. You can go all the way up to 188 next. That is your next level to run to. Like the video, cause runs a game. Correct. LIDR, there is nothing on LIDR. I would not be focusing on a play like LIDR. There is no volume. All the volume is in the plays that have meme stocks with it, right? So right now, this is in a downtrend. There's no volume on it. It's extremely difficult. Why try and take these setups when you know the other ones are going to probably make you more money, right? Or make you money. Yes, cause can go insane. All of these can go insane, guys. They will literally just follow each other. That's it. So it's really kind of the luck of the draw. There's no real technicals based on it, in my opinion. Hood, I think will go. This is also can be a potential meme play. I don't know. After they've had some issues, halting. I think they stopped trading for game and that previously, but then I don't know what they did. Yesterday, I think someone said that they limited shares of buying game and that. I know they did that previously. So what happens is this will probably run because of that situation, not because of the news, but simply because this also did run when we had meme situation last time as well. So at the moment, yes, it is bullish. Look, we've pretty much got a triple bottom here, so it's pushing to the upside. It has clean range. Look, this whole candle has clean range all the way to $19 on this play as well. So keep that on watch. TOP with 293, CRGEQ. That's a long one. CRGEQ. I don't have that one, unfortunately. TOP is up 4%. I'm kind of just looking at resistance levels. So at the moment, this is your next resistance level around here. So we have to clean this chart up a bit. So right now what happens is we've broken above this resistance here, right? You see this? 285. You can see this here. So we've broken above that. Now, if we can close above this on the 4 hour, this is high probability will continue to go up and it will probably push to around that level that I just drawn. So 342 is the next kind of resistance, but this is your levels on TOEP, breaking key resistance here. So TOEP, breaking key resistance. I will do my best to keep updating you guys on game and AMC obviously throughout the day as well, because I know everyone's going to ask me about it 100 times. But if you want to get updated and join us on live trading, which I will be doing in the Discord, you can do that because that is probably more beneficial for you if you want to. Here is the link if you want to join. SPCE, I don't know if this is a meme. Let me see, what's this? Sub 20%, maybe. SPCE, look here. So this is your next resistance around here, right? So SPCE, there's no real, I mean, you could maybe use this here, previous support. So around here. So right now, look, see this previous support became resistance. Now it's resistance. So it breaks above 133, then you have room to 155. So keep this on watch. It looks good. I like it. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, the thing is, guys, there are so many plays. There are so many plays to watch. It's impossible to get in all of them. You have to focus, right, on a few of them. You cannot get in all of them. Just be patient. Choose some. Choose 2 or 3. And then after that, you can focus on that. Okay, let me see. So game, what's happening with game? Yeah, game's coming. I don't know. It's holding its level very well. AMC. Guys, I can't update this thing every 2 seconds. This is your levels on game, or AMC. That is it. Your resistance right now on AMC is 1330. This is your levels here. I will move this up here so everyone can see it as clear as day. I'll put it in purple. So you know now if it breaks above this level, that is probably going to continue to go up to at least 14.20, which is a whole dollar up. Obviously the stock can keep going, but I'm talking more on just based on this shorter time frame setups. So AMC resistance, right? Resistance at 1330. So you know if it breaks above 1330, there is a high probability it will continue to go up, right? AMC filing. I'm not too sure. I didn't look at it. I don't know. Someone mentioned the AMC filing. I think it was yesterday though, but I'm not too sure exactly. People in the Discord. If anyone can explain it, I didn't look too into it, so I'm not too sure to be honest. But if anyone can explain it, I would appreciate it. Plug. Yeah, Plug is very bullish. Plug is extremely bullish, up 57%. Look at this thing go. Extremely, extremely bullish. It's heading to 516. Look at it go. Broken above this resistance. She gone. Plug is absolutely insane. Very, very bullish. Very, very bullish on this. What was the news? Let me see here. Someone said it was very good news. 1.6 billion. Yeah, okay. When you see billion in there, that's when you know there's some serious money involved. That's very, very good. Plug. So what are you and Hassie trading New York Times and private Discord? So to make it easy for you guys to understand how myself and Hassie trade, okay? I live in Dubai, right? So pre-market opens at lunchtime here, which is 12 p.m., right? So 12 p.m. lunchtime opens, okay? Which is, I don't know what time that is in the US, but at 7 a.m. Eastern is when I start to share charts on the Discord and on Twitter. Okay, so that means during pre-market. That's 3 hours after pre-market opens. 7 a.m. Eastern is when I get onto my charts, and that's when I start to share setups. During pre-market, I do not give any alerts. I share setups to members, and I let them know if I do grab anything, but I do not give any alerts. We do not give any alerts during pre-market simply because you cannot have a stop loss. It's extremely high risk. It's very difficult. We preach risk management, so for us, we just avoid it. Alerts are stop loss entries and targets, so that's why we do not give that during pre-market. But I give rules for people if they do trade pre-market that they can follow if they do take any trades that I share and so on, right? And then when we trade, the majority of our alerts, okay, are from market open, so 9:30 a.m., right? Yeah, correct. Is from market open for the first, I would say, hour and a half, 2 hours is where we give the majority of our alerts. We give, myself and Hassie, give around, I would say 4 or 5 each a day. So you have about 8 alerts given, okay? And then with that, we focus on high quality setups. We don't give 100 alerts like I just mentioned. We give maybe 8 quality setups. If there are only 2 setups for us to give, we will give 2 setups. We're not here to give you guys just random plays because we're not an alert system and robots. We're trying to teach you and explain why we get into the trades. So the reason why we give alerts from market open for the first 2 hours is because that is where the most of the volume is. That is where it gives us the best opportunity for people to make money and ourselves, and our setups work the best. Because after the first 2 hours, usually the market starts to slow down, then it becomes lunchtime, and then obviously you do have power hour and those things, but I go to bed by then. So all I do is I trade from 7 a.m. Eastern, and then I go to bed pretty much lunchtime Eastern. So that is how I trade, and myself and Hassie, we both have similar styles, but he trades differently. In terms of he plays breakouts and other key levels, I play more of a pullback conservative approach. So we have 2 different approaches. Both work very well together. So yeah. And then we do live trading every single day, live seminars, there's educational content and so on. So if you want to join, here is the link, if you want to click on it and then there. All right, plug. So what are the bird. At the moment, bird is nothing on this. I would say it's still in a downtrend, so it is bearish, right? Every time it gets this trend line, it's bearish. It needs volume in order for it to break above. If it can break above, right, then there is a high probability to continue up. But I would say, Yeah, nothing on this for now. I would just wait for the trend line break, but I don't know. For now, I wouldn't be entering this trade, unfortunately. Plug SBFM. Ooh, SBFM might be one of the plays that run. I think it sounds like a high short. Yeah, SBFM, nothing unless 119. This might be a possible play. I think this used to run with meme plays, but SBFM, nothing unless 119 breaks. I'll even put this on Twitter for you guys. So SBFM, nothing unless 119 breaks above, right? Because right now, this is, I would say it's in no man's land. Like here, it's just going up, down, up, down, up, down, right? We don't know what's going on, but we know if it breaks above, there's a high probability it'll continue to go up. So that's kind of how the logic is for this. Yes, add cos to it. Cos. People are spamming me with XTAI. I don't know what the hell people love about the stock, but it is absolute trash. Trash. Why are people trying to trade a stock that has no volume? Terrible. I will be strict and honest with you guys. Right, once I get back into Discord, I'm going to join. Welcome, brother. Welcome. SG and AR, please. Thank you. SGE, to simply put it for you, it is currently bearish, so it means that it's in a downtrend, maybe falling wedge setup. Nah, not really. Maybe you could be a forced falling wedge, but maybe you could see for support. I would say if you did enter this, your stop loss would be just under 160 on that, you know. So this is how you could trade it. So if you entered now, your stop loss is below this, because you know if it breaks below this support level, is most likely to go down. ALLR, I think this was a larger time frame. ALLR is nothing unless 0.85. Same thing as SBFM, right? It's pretty much just consolidating. We don't know what's happening here. I can tell you that if it breaks above 0.85, there is a high probability it will continue to push up. Right now, just chill out, relax. Just wait it out. BIG, why is that stock rings a bell? BIG is up. Big lots. Yes, this ran with these. This is another meme play. There's too many. I'm not even going to keep it on my watch list, but there's too many to even keep on watch. But yeah, this is a meme play. So I have to look at the levels, 4 hour, look left. Here's your next resistance around here. 566 is your next resistance level. It's currently breaking this right here. So we have 1 resistance, 2, and then 3. If it breaks above, high probability it'll go to around 520 on big. Hollow is here. Hollow is breaking out. Well, it did already. So now it broke above 296, 362 is your next resistance. You can see it became previous support, now resistance. Closes above this, then there's a high probability it'll go to around 460. That is your levels on Hollow. So Hollow is big move coming on this. Hollow, big mover. So this is a very, very big bullish move on this. TUP, I think I just went over TUP. Oh no, I didn't. It wasn't TUP. But TUP is another meme play. So TUP is here. Looking left at the chart, we have a resistance right here, which it's heading to now, which is 260. And then you can focus on this level after. So these are your next levels on TUP. As I mentioned, this will simply just follow game and AMC and all that. But let's see, smaller time frame. I would say you could use this area. You could just use this zone, let's just say like here. Just to make it clear and easy, around here is support, around here, like this. So here maybe comes down into this level, $2, and then push to the upside for continuation. Coin. Coin, nothing on coin. Broken below support, coin right now. So coin's broken below the support, therefore it is bearish. I mean, it's coming all the way, probably all the way. Yeah, 160 next. Unless it wicks off this, then I don't know. But at the moment, it's broken below support. This doesn't look too good, unfortunately. It's broken, yeah. If it closes like this, it should probably continue down. Luna, maybe that's a possible runner as well. We know this thing runs crazy. So this one, I don't know, the chart's not clear, but I would just mark this high. If it breaks above that, continuation to the upside on this, like that. So you see this right now, and then we have to see what are the next levels from here. I would say hit this, and then here. So these are your levels here on Luna. So 686 and 725. Right now, I wouldn't be trying to take this though. You could use here support. Strong bottom wicks off here, or even this around here. Previous resistance here now becomes support. So that is what you have for this. All right, I'm going to head into Discord, guys. So thanks a lot for joining today. If you could please do me a favor, like the video and then subscribe as well if you haven't. We greatly appreciate it. Hassi has done a whole series. We keep posting it. Please go through that. We are trying to give you guys some content there on YouTube as well. So if you want to join the Discord, I know I keep going on about it, but everyone messages me about it pretty much every day. So it's easy for me to just explain it here. Simply, if you want to click on that link, you can join us for live trading today, which we do every single day. Members, I will catch you in 20 minutes. I will see you all then. Have a great day, guys. Please make sure you guys are using a stop loss. Have a great day, guys.